Hello, welcome to Mostra Convegno 2018. We are in front of the Eliwell Supermarket Solution panel. Here you can see the very new solution, Domino. Domino is a kind of control into the superheat of the cabinet and cold room, enabling a very low superheat, very tight control of superheat. This enables to have the suction pressure into the medium pressure of the compressor rack much higher, up to 30 bars, into a Sewer 2 transcritical system. This enables savings up to 15%. This is very key in order to deliver efficiency at a lower equator. That means Italy and even southern like Spain. With a very simple solution, very simple installation of the compressor rack that is not more complicated than a booster or parallel compression compressor. The second point that I want to highlight here is about wireless temperature monitoring, EWCM. This is a complement to the offer, enabling temperature data logging, temperature recognition and collection for the monitoring system with the wireless Zigbee. Very easy to install, very simple to manage, battery power, stickable inside the cabinet, very simple solution for temperature data collection. Finally, TelevisGo, open system from Eliwell, part of Schneider Electric EcoStruxure solution, directly connectable to BMS system. That means it is possible to integrate refrigeration, HVAC, and make them communicate together and be controllable and visible from the ownership of the supermarket, for example, in order to have full control on energy and efficiency. I thank you very much for being here.